First, head over to Canva, import the photo you would like to retouch, and scale it to your preference. Select the photo and navigate to the Edit Image option at the top. Scroll down to find the Face Retouch tool. Here, you can adjust the smoothing of the skin. Simply drag the slider to get the look you want. Don't worry, you can always adjust these settings later. For this situation, I've chosen to drag it to 100. Click the back arrow and select the Magic Eraser tool. Next, let's tackle any unwanted spots or objects with the Magic Eraser tool. Adjust the size of the brush tool and highlight the areas that need to be erased. Click the Erase button and watch them disappear. This tool is perfect for removing blemishes, stray hairs, or any other distractions. After you've made your edits, take a moment to review your photo. You can always select more spots or areas and erase them until you're happy with the result. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow Canva tips and tricks.